Bagong taon, bagong negosyo na naman? Teka lang, ayan ka na naman eh. A lot of people suffer with this kind of attitude. Laging may bagong idea na gustong itry. Ang bilis mainip, today ganito yung business na gustong pasukin. A few months from now, iba ulit. Kahit sa totoo lang, wala pang maayos na na-achieve sa current business na pinapatakbo. And one of the most tempting periods to think about this is ngayong patapos na yung taon. Marami ka kasing maririnig na trending business for 2026 at dahil gullible ka masyado, you have the tendency to abandon what you do right now and try something new pagdating ng January. Alam nyo kung bakit ganito yung maraming tao. Two reasons. Number one, sabik tayo sa instant win. We ignore the fact that a successful business takes time. Nagmamadali tayo masyado. And two, a lot of business owners don't have a long-term plan. Mahirap mawala ang focus mo sa business mo kung may konkreto kang timeline that is translated into a financial plan na minomonitor mo. Hanggat hindi mo nararating yung goal mo, nakafocus ka lang in making it happen. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.